Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. And let's see, non-craft related, but glad I broke into that. The movie theater buttered flavored browns popcorn, some sponges, and then I picked up some macaron lip balm by LA Colors, and it's scented berry. I picked up just some fingernail files. Again, you can always use those, keep them in your car at work. They had all of this season's colors out, which I like their ribbon for $1. You get 5 yards. So you got the black, the red, the gray. That's lighter than the seafoam mint. I don't know what I would call that. It's not really periwinkle, but it's a blue. I'm terrible with color, baby blue, maybe kind of a mustard, orangey yellow, gold, marigold, or sunflower color. And then this baby one, this is a little sunshine for a boy. I was looking for the girl, so I had to go to Dollar Tree to get some movable dots. So hopefully I have some of that one today. I did pick up the metallic marker, Forever in Time, and they had these out when they had the first Craft Owl last year. This was the brand, and I didn't get one of these markers last year, so hopefully it's a good marker. Okay, yep. Look at this silver one. I'll pick up another one because I had all the other brushes had duplicates. This is the only one that didn't have duplicate of, so I just wanted to have the duplicate of this foundation brush for blending. You know, your inks, your chalks. You use a lot with that. So I was with my girl Susie, and she had picked up these clamps. I didn't cancel these before, but I went on and got them because you're right, I could use this when something's dry and to clamp it together. So I just got 2 sets in case one set gets lost. I posted a picture on Instagram of all of the different crepe papers. They've always had crepe paper, but it's just the way they did the owl this time in this particular store. So I just posted a picture of it. So they had a ton of the crepes, and then also they had like 4 different versions of the Happy Birthday. I only got one. But they had some other ones that were cute too, different printed styles. So I'll probably go back and get those because they're just good to have. You can make some nice rosettes with that, and paper and flowers. And then some mailing tape. I got 3 of those. Last but not least, I got this set of rub-ons for the USA for someone. And then stencils. Figure out who that was for. I get some of these too for my grandson, just for him to trace stuff when he wants to draw. He don't really use it, but I'm trying to encourage him to. And that one, the alphabet. So I think that's everything. If it's something else, if I get something else this morning when I go to Dollar Tree, I will add it on the beginning or the end of this video. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.